In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter you're getting some errors with. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the start menu. Just type in to the start menu CMD. Best match to come back to command prompt. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a command prompt window, you want to left click on yes. So the first thing you want to do is just type in ipconfig. Exactly it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig, and then you want to do a space and then /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word. So again, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Should say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Once you're done with that command, I'm going to have another one I want you guys to type in, and that would be netsh space winsock. So again, netsh space winsock, winsock, space reset. Exactly it appears on my screen. Then I want you guys to hit enter. Run this command here. Should take a moment, just be patient. So you will have to restart your computer, and hopefully that should have addressed the issue you guys were having when you came into this tutorial. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.